Hello. Introducing the SAMSON Universal Shoulder Immobilizer, a clinically designed orthopedic solution. Available in multiple sizes, with the size chart shown on screen. Measure circumference around the chest. Remove the shoulder immobilizer carefully from the packaging. Unfold it fully on a flat surface, ensuring all straps and Velcro are accessible. Position the injured arm inside the support pouch, keeping the elbow flexed comfortably and the forearm resting securely across the abdomen. Place the shoulder and chest straps over the opposite shoulder, ensuring correct orientation and smooth contact with the body. Adjust the Velcro straps gradually, achieving firm immobilization while maintaining comfort and unrestricted circulation. To remove the product, gently release Velcro straps. Support the arm with the other hand and slide the immobilizer away slowly. The SAMSON Universal Shoulder Immobilizer is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON. Trusted by professionals. Designed for you.